What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be unboxing the Tile Mate. And so starting with the packaging, we actually have a nice foldable package here. On the front we have the product front and center, the company name on top, the quantity in the bottom right corner, the product name in the bottom left corner, and it claims to help you find anything, including a few of the things that we actually have on the front of the package, including a water bottle, a pair of keys, or a pair of glasses. There isn't really anything on any of the edges, but on the back we have the product name up top, the distance range, so basically how far it will pair to your phone, information regarding a replaceable battery, the front and back of the product, a little visual that shows what you would see on your phone when you link it to the Tile, and in the bottom left here we have recyclability information where you can download the app and other additional information. So that's about it for the outside of the packaging, and so let's open this up. We have a little circular seal right here, so we'll just pop that off. Here we have a little message saying "Together we find" in a bunch of different languages, and over here we have some documents. So this one is a user manual, and this one contains some warranty information. Both of these include all the languages that you saw right here on the packaging. Now if we open up this flap, the product is held inside of this soft foam pad. I would like to thank ND Paper for giving me this product, and so if we just pop this right out, we have a nice shimmering silver tile lettering in a circle on the white background and a hole here in the corner so you can attach this to a keychain. And right here we have ND Paper and their logo. On the back we have a nice gray color, a small QR code in the corner. These three holes look like a speaker, and here we have a removable piece so that a battery can be inserted. And I guess if we just click this, alright, so a battery is actually included. So overall we have the packaging, we have a user manual, we have documentation that talks about the warranty and use, and here we have the actual Tile product. So that's about it for this unboxing. I plan on making a review video once I have used the Tile for quite a bit of time. If you enjoyed, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.